In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can embed cryptocurrency graphics to your Wix website. As you can see here, I have a Wix website. This is just a tutorial site, don't mind the content. I'm just going to show you how you can do this. You want to go to the link in the description or search for bitcoin.com/tools/widgets. What we want to do now, we want to scroll all the way down on this page. We want to copy this code, and this is basically the code that makes it work. So this code doesn't show any graphics or widgets itself, but this code is what we need to make these ones work. So then we can go to Wix, hit add, and embed a widget. So now we want to enter the code, and once we do this, we can see that nothing happens. So that's not a problem. That's good. Now we want to go back and find a widget. So I'm just going to choose everyone, but we can also just do a Bitcoin itself. So we can also do only this one. Go back to our website. Now we can find the old code and add some spaces and then place the code and hit update. And so now, as you can see straight away, the graphic comes up. And this is where you can place it basically anywhere. And now we have added a graphic for Bitcoin on our website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.